Whispers from the Brighter World. Beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj. Tuesday, October 26, 1999, 8 am. You cannot know what real love is. You come near to it. You feel the vibration of it. But the fact that you became incarnate, you are not truly enabled to reach this state. Love is a specifically divine element. It attracts you. You feel it vibrating in you. You tend towards this sublime state, and while advancing towards the goal, you start becoming imbued with it. You aspire to it with all your might. It is your soul which calls it hopelessly. This process has only one goal, only one objective: to lead you to Him, to let you be overwhelmed and to become only as one with Him. Fusion, that is the outcome of this vast program, which requires so much time, effort, and a very strong eagerness to arrive at it. God never remains insensitive to the call of His creature. The aspirant truly motivated is heard, supported, and guided. Arriving at this destination is a nice achievement. Thereafter, another trajectory will be proposed to you, and if you so want, you will be able to engage in it with full knowledge of the facts. Babuji. Tuesday, October 26, 1999, 10 am. Why do you think that my son can disown you? If such was the case, that would be indeed quite astounding. Wait and see the next step. Even if he does not react, he cannot remain insensitive to the reading of these messages and not be touched by their veracity. Never let yourself be destabilized by negative reactions about our contacts. You have seen worse. In the future, the holders of these messages will have to be careful and be able to face up to incomprehension and criticism. Remember the precautions I had to take for mine, which were preserved carefully until the end of my life on earth, and you know that even until now they are not admitted and understood by all. You were well placed to believe them straight away, but one should understand those for whom such paranormal phenomena surpass understanding. Not everyone can claim to be a medium, and this has nothing to do, as I already said, with the spiritual elevation of a being. It fosters contacts with higher planes and goes hand in hand with it. As far as you are concerned, this suits us perfectly. We have always appreciated your discretion on this issue and your humility about all that. Be at peace, my child, and put yourself out of reach, as much as possible, of the stupid reactions that your fellow men can have. Only our appreciation must count for you, Babuji.